I'm going to be attempting to install my dual fan slash radiator guard. For this I've opted for the 2 R6 fans, the adapter pigtail connector. Mount and guard are OnPoint brand, same brand that I use for my, race rails. Try to remove all of these side fairings, preferably on both sides, but I'm going to see how much I can access from just removing one side. I might get stuck early on, but I'm going to see how much of this I can do by myself. Where the heck is my Ford? So what's the trend? What's the spin? It's gonna break, give and take. Paralyzed to the abyss. He's lost his. How are you? Good, how are you? It's paralyzed. I moved all the controls to the left side. The front brake, the clutch, and the throttle. Yeah. Hey, maybe when you're older. Why not? Nice, nice. Got the reserve. Rusty play. I just don't want the coolant to like go flying if it comes out. Okay, now what the fuck do I do with this? That's not what I was That took forever. Ugh. Don't you be fooled. You get back up there.
Thanks, I can't do it. Was there any?
Wait. Push this part down. Don't you be doing that now. Alright, all of that, step one done. Good catch. This is where I need someone new. You think I would have recognized that from the shape of the shape of this?
I'm wondering if that foam on the right needs to come off.
Is it gonna have to come off and like stay off though?
With that thing, with that cage's gonna be on the right hand side, and it's gonna block it.
Well, yeah, I know, I see that, but
I mean, you might be able to just wedge in there. Don't get me wrong.
I mean, there's a lot of space. But like, I have no idea. I don't think it's gonna fit with it. But like, I also don't really want to pull it off if I'm not supposed to, because this is supposed to hold stuff.
That is cool though, how conforming it is.
I got one side of it. I almost like fucked it up though, so. My favorite's the green one. I'm not gonna tighten either of the bottoms until I get that other side.
If you have it in enough to stay, just make sure you get to the wiring clips before you get too much.
I mean, you can, they're all right here.
Okay.
I mean, you connected them, you disconnected them from the inside, so. The only issue might be that left side fan, but they're both, the edges are literally right here, so it should be fine.
I'll start the bolt.
It keeps like not starting. I'm just getting so tired. At this point, it wouldn't matter if I literally just pulled back. Maybe try to see if you could do it from, because it keeps, like I pulled it back and everything. Like I reverse threaded it. Right. Which of these zip ties do you think I'm going to use? Got them from the dollar store, so do I trust them? No. But I'm going to use them. I'm going to use blue.
It was not.
Did you look on the patio?
I did.
Oh. Alright, she's installed. Now I just gotta make sure I burnt the system and fill this reserve tank and then do everything in reverse to get the fairings back on. And then, no. That's it. Is 25 the end? It can't be. Is it? Like in my head, it's like if you open the oil thing, it's over.